IndusParquet's products emerge from a high-precision production process that comprises the latest technology has to offer in both equipment and research, along with extensive experience in handling a large variety of woods. Our floorings are supplied to demanding clients around the world. We have created this video manual to guide our clients and installers towards achieving the best usage of our products. The information you are about to see arises from the experience we have gained regarding techniques and tools developed with partner companies to allow you to reach the best possible results with our products. Wood is an extremely safe material that lasts a lifetime. However, to last, it must be properly installed. It is essential that all instructions be followed carefully so that your installation be covered by our warranty system. This will avoid problems incurred by lack of proper information or a badly installed floor. The care of our products must begin at the moment they are received. The first step is to confirm you are receiving the proper amount of material, which should include a safety margin of around 10% over the amount estimated for the installation. Also, inspect the packaging to confirm that it displays the IndusParquet brand and that it is intact. The product must be properly stored at the job site. This involves keeping it off the ground so it is not damaged by humidity. Certain products, such as decking and ceiling, that are shipped without packaging, feature our brand name on their underside. Wood may change its color tonality once removed from its packaging and exposed to light. This process is normal and known as oxidation. As a result, the color of our product when you receive it will not exactly match what you had seen in our showroom. Do not worry, once it has been installed, it will naturally change to reach the desired tone. During this period, you should avoid covering it with rugs that do not allow the wood to breathe. It is important to note that since wood is a natural product, it will display small variances in its tone and minor differences in thickness. IndusParquet has just recently acquired the European Community's certification on the classification and standards of its products. Thus, IndusParquet's quality has gained recognition by one of the world's most demanding markets. In Brazil, we are also certified by the Brazilian Association of Wood Flooring Producers, or ANPM. This certification is only reached through compliance with stringent standards. Our floors can be installed on several types of subflooring such as plywood, slats, or even pre-existing floors of ceramic tile, stone, or other types of wood. In such cases, it's best to check with your IndusParquet salesperson regarding the most appropriate treatment for the surface involved. However, most of the time, our floors can be applied directly to the subflooring. This specific subflooring is a layer applied to level or to even out a coarse concrete subflooring. It consists of 3 parts of cement to 1 of sand and should be at least 1.2 inches or 3 centimeters thick. Besides serving as a base for the flooring to be fixed to, the leveling subflooring must be totally even, uniform, and present ideal humidity. Otherwise, it will increase the amount of glue needed for the job, increase the difficulty of placing screws, and generally reduce the quality of the new floor's installation. Subflooring humidity proofing is essential. On ground level installations, there are 3 types of humidity that can damage wood flooring. The first of these is residual humidity. Residual humidity exists when the water employed in preparing the subflooring has not been allowed to evaporate completely. To avoid this, it is recommended that you allow the subflooring to cure for 30 days before installing your wood flooring. In case this amount of time is not available, please consult with your IndusParquet salesperson. The second type of humidity can damage the subfloor. It is ascending humidity. It is caused by the concrete base being in contact with the earth. And thirdly, there is contact humidity. It occurs as a result of the walls being in contact with the earth, in cases where the floor is installed on a level below the exterior ground level. To prepare your subflooring against humidity, we recommend the following options. The first is to use Radflex in a 1-to-1 ratio with cement. This mixture should be applied between the concrete base and the leveling subflooring. Ideal proportions are of 2.2 pounds or 1 kilogram per 1.2 square yards or a square meter. A second option is to apply a waterproofing product on the subflooring. This can be done with Radflex PU applied at a proportion of 1.54 pounds or 700 grams per 1.2 square yards or a square meter. Finally, there is the option of mixing Radflex right into the subflooring. In this case, Radflex replaces 30% of the water used in preparing the subflooring. Although this option is more costly, it ensures nearly 100% waterproofing. In cases that a subflooring already exists that is not very resistant to humidity, the acrylic-based Radfix can be used. However, we recommend you first check with your IndusParquet sales location. Prior to installing the wood floor, you must be sure that the job site is fully closed, with its window and door spaces properly sealed. The subflooring surface must be dry and free of any kind of dust, gypsum, paint, or bitumen. In case these exist, they must be cleaned off with a wire brush and the remaining dust removed with a vacuum cleaner. To ensure the best results, we recommend IndusParquet's polyurethane PU glue. This product contains no water in its composition and thus offers the proper safety to your wood flooring. Before preparing the glue, check to see if your IndusParquet glue kit is complete. To prepare the glue mix, follow these steps. Add the full contents of component B to component A. Mix until the components are homogeneous.